Okay, one more example just that might be helpful. We have lithium nitride, which we can write out. Li is a +1, nitrogen is a -3. So when we're talking about lithium nitride, we're talking about Li3N. We're given 12 grams of it, so I might as well use the formula that starts with grams. Grams equals moles times molecular weight. Now, you don't have to write this every time, but it is going to be helpful as we go through this problem. I have the grams of what? The grams of lithium nitride. And I know Ms. Prater referenced really wanting to label everything. Here's another way of thinking about that. Grams of lithium nitride. I need the moles of lithium nitride. And I'll want to use the molecular weight of lithium nitride. So everything in that formula has to be of the same thing. Right now, since my grams are of Li3N, I'll be able to solve for the moles of Li3N, and I need to use the molecular weight of Li3N. Or 7 times 3 lithiums plus 14, that gives us a molecular weight of 35. When I do 12 divided by the 35, what I'll have is my moles of lithium nitride, or 0.343 moles. Now, going from moles of lithium nitride to moles of just lithium in part B, sorry, I'm looking for a color I haven't used yet. Lithium nitride to just lithium, this is exactly what Ms. Prater showed you in video number 3. What we're going to do from here to here is multiply by our subscript. So I take the 0.343. Since what I want is lithium, I'm going to multiply by lithium subscript of 3. And that gets me 1.03 moles of lithium. Now for part C, they want the grams of lithium. So use the same idea that I used up here, where if we want the grams, it makes sense to use the formula with grams, but we need to make sure that everything we plug into that formula is of the same thing. So for instance, if I want the grams of lithium, I better use the moles of lithium times the molecular weight of lithium. So I want the grams. My moles of lithium I just found in part B. I look on the periodic table for the molecular weight of lithium. It's 7. I'm not looking at all the lithiums in lithium nitride. I already accounted for that when I found the moles. And so I just use the molecular weight of lithium. Multiplying that by 7, I get 7.2 grams of lithium. Now, if I had just given you 12 grams of lithium nitride and asked you for the grams of lithium, that's when you'd use percent composition rather than going through all of these steps. If I gave you grams and I wanted grams, it'd be more like video 1. That's it.